Red top bolete, cousin of the famous porcini mushroom. This one's a lovely edible, especially these little young ones. It'll stain kind of blue and gray. You slice this up thin and dry it, and it is an amazing flavored mushroom once dry. Bear's tooth mushroom, Hericium ramosum or Hericium coloroides, the wild lion's mane, if you will. So very good for the brain, neuroprotective, good for concentration and building new neural nets within the human brain. Well studied, possibly quite a gift for the masses with Alzheimer's and depression and other cognitive impairments that is a plague. This really likes these really old, dead, rotten logs. Now these ones I just placed here for the camera, but this one here, see it's how it's growing in there? It's like a coral coming out. And you can, there's the stem of it, and it has these teeth, or these combs, so thus the name bear's tooth or comb's tooth. And then I'll leave this little guy here to keep growing. You can repeatedly harvest off the same logs as long as the rains keep coming. It's a pleasant smelling mushroom. It's not overly mushroomy. It's kind of like crab meat, if you will, if you fry it up, or you can dry it like we do. It goes in our forest blend as a culinary mushroom, or in our lion's mane tonic, along with some cultivated lion's mane. Shaggy parasol mushroom. Lovely. I really like this one dried and crumbled. This one likes to grow under the caragana trees. Put it in with our red tops and our lion's mane, and we'll keep going. Gem-studded puffball. Tramites suavolens. Suavemento. It smells like a really, like a real suave character. Fragrant bracket fungus, they also call it. This is for tea. It's been used in HIV studies, actually, for immune boosting properties. Amanita muscaria, fly agaric mushroom. Used in medicine, not good to eat unless you do it the Japanese way of slicing it up thin, boiling it in copious amounts of water and throwing the water away. Do that a couple times, then fry up those soggy mushrooms, and they're quite delicious apparently. I'm not that brave. This one is one of the easiest to identify mushrooms. Iconic. Honey mushrooms, Armillaria melia. Beautiful artist conk, Ganoderma applanatum, aka wild reishi mushroom. An underside that you can draw pictures on. For example, this mountain range I'm drawing, and your little footprints as you walk down from the mountains into the valleys to find the mushrooms which grow in the trees. Here they are, the little mushrooms. Okay, so this is why it's called artist's conk. A conk is anything woody like this. This is not an eating mushroom. Oh, no, not an eating mushroom at all. This is for drying and making tea. And the medicinal effects of this, which are fairly well studied, especially in Chinese traditional medicine, where this is like 5,000 years of studying this mushroom for the effects of the reishi mushroom. This is tonifying for the whole system. It's very adaptogenic. It's good for the immune system. It's good for the whole body as an organism. And it's said to be the mushroom of immortality. Now here's a mushroom you can spot at 100 kilometers an hour. Your western giant puffball. She's a beaut. I saw this one a couple days ago. They don't really have a stem so much. They get really big. You cut them open and they're all white inside. You can eat them. What I like to do is just drive around and then run out into the fields and grab them and then run away.